Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to block a Threads account on Android. Have you ever received unwanted messages from someone on Threads and want to block them? Well, you're in luck because it's super easy to do. First, open the Threads app on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, click on the search icon located in the bottom center of the screen. Next, search for the account you want to block. Once you've found the account, press the three dots located in the top right-hand corner of the screen. From there, select Block and confirm that you want to block the account. That's it. Now the account will no longer be able to send you messages on Threads. If you change your mind and want to unblock the account, simply go to your blocked accounts list and select the account you want to unblock. It's important to note that when you block an account on Threads, the account will not be notified that they've been blocked. Blocking an account on Threads can be useful for many reasons, such as blocking a spam account or blocking someone who is harassing you. It's a quick and easy way to prevent unwanted messages from coming through. If you're concerned about your privacy on Threads, it's also a good idea to review your privacy settings. You can adjust settings such as who can see your online status and who can add you as a friend. In addition to blocking accounts, you can also report accounts that violate Threads community standards. To report an account, go to their profile and click on the three dots, then select Report. And that's all there is to it. Blocking a Threads account on Android is a great way to keep your conversations safe and enjoyable. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.